Hi guys, I just want to come on real quick to tell you about the 28-day challenge. So, what it is the 28-day challenge is using this awesome software called Kajabi. So, Kajabi is where you can actually build your website, design it, do page builders, no matter how many pages, depending on your subscription. Build landing pages for your products and services, create webinars, blogs, you name it. Here's your products page. It acts as your checkout page for whether you are, let me show you real quick, whether you're building a community, and just as if you was doing a Facebook group, whether you're doing a mini course, online course, evergreen training. So this is a drip training. So if you did a training and you don't want everybody to speed pass and get all blogged up with everything that you're giving them, this drip training actually drips down every phase of your training the way you line it up. Membership. So if you want people to sign in for a membership, and again, this is just like Facebook group, but a closed and private group, okay? Or you can always do it from the back or, from scratch, blank, okay? You can make offers. And in the offers tab, you can build coupons, and you can make two types of coupons. You can make a coupon that's one coupon, like a $5 off coupon for however many months, or just one coupon, period. Or you can do a discount with $5 off with many coupon codes, whether you want only 20 people to get a coupon code, and then you do an email on the coupon code. So I'm not going to keep you long. I just wanted to come on real quick to tell you that, listen, you can use Kajabi for anything, whether you're in music, whether you're providing a service, whether you are a DJ, whether you're a blogger, photographer, event planner, whatever you are, you can bring your people in here and your customers, your prospects, your leads, bring them in here, sell to them, sell your product. I have a credit DIY journal. I got a credit DIY ebook. I have one for business credit and one to build business credit. And I will be selling it all here. So, Janet, how are you going to bring it on here? Well, the reason why I'm bringing it here is because I am going to have a mini class to teach them how to use the journal. Then I'm going to actually add to the mini class what you're going to do with that. So I'm going to add to that mini class. And within the mini class, I'm going to actually take them to a community where I support them in their letters and everything. So I will be upselling them. So just some of the simple stuff that's in here. Here's an email campaign. There are automations. And let me let you know, I'm going through this real fast because I want to get you over to the 28 days. So when I signed up for this, it was only for the 14-day trial. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm busting my butt. How am I going to pay for this? What am I going to do? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And guess what? They came up with this 28-day challenge. Now, the 28-day challenge, guess what? You get to use the software for 28 days and they guarantee that you will at least make $1,000 using this product. 28 days. So you have 28 days to use it. All the other softwares, even the one I just signed up for, Kajabi, last week, only got another week to go to even sell. But for this, I'm giving it to you for free. Just use my link. This is because I'm so excited. So let me show you what you're going to learn in your 28 days. Now, if you have time, then you can complete this within quicker than 28 days. It just depends on what your schedule is like, right? So what you're going to get the support. So here is the 28-day challenge. Day one, they're going to give you a welcome. They're going to help you find your niche for those who don't even have a niche. Okay. They're going to teach you how to monetize your expertise. So whatever you're good at, they're going to show you how to make money off of it. They're going to help you brainstorm your product, create your product. Okay. Upload videos. They allow you to catch up and rest. Okay. Let you take a break. Help you with pricing your product, generate an offer. All this is in 28 days or less, depending on you. They'll help you choose your pipeline. Remember, the pipeline is the landing page, almost like your funnel, like a click funnel. Okay. Create your pipeline. There's many ones that they have templates. So easy. I made my pipeline in 3 minutes. Catch up on your rest day again. A page builder, build your website. If you want to use a custom domain or not, more building of the website, more website. By then you've already made something, right? Another rest day, generating content some more, create a list of 10 blog posts. Now, let me stop you right there real quick. So if you sign up under my link, this is what you're going to get. I will already have the blog post for you. Already, once you tell me the niche, I will have a whole year's worth of blog posts. Okay. I will help you gain your clients by teaching you Canva, by teaching you how to use Canva to post to the different platforms, social media platforms, to grow your audience, to grow your clientele. And by doing that, we will lead them to your pipeline, which is the landing page, and bring them in to sell your product or your service. So I just wanted to tell you, this is what the 28 day is about. Along with that, they'll be coaching you. You'll have community support, 24/7 support. And most of all, you have me. You will join a separate community on my team. You'll be a part of my team. Join my community. And what I mean by team, I don't mean like, oh, you're going to be pumping my business. No, what I mean is we are all going to be a family. We're going to be a team. And when you join my team, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva. I'm going to help you troubleshoot with Kajabi in case you're lost. I'm going to help you set up your Kajabi if you need help. I doubt it because they're going to take you through it. And I'm going to actually help you brand your business with Canva. I'm going to help teach you how to post to the different social media accounts so that you can actually get your name out there, get your company out there, get your services out there, get your products out there. I'm going to give you scripts for your email sequence. I'm going to give you scripts for headlines. I'm going to give you 1 year's worth of blogging topics. No, you're not a blogger, but these topics help bring people in. So when you post, you have to add these topics, give a sentence or two, and then you post, and bam, now you're gaining organic clients. Okay. So you have a lot to gain within 28 days. This says 28 days, but I'm telling you, you're going to do it less because I done spent the whole weekend on this and I'm so excited. Why am I giving this away for free? Because Kajabi is giving it away for free because I signed up for 14 days. They doubled the trial period for any of my clients. They doubled it. From me, only had 14. So I'm sharing this with you, okay? You also get a one-on-one coaching with me about your business, about where your business stand with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian. Where does your business span with vendor credit? I mean, I am going to throw it all at you to make you succeed because we only have 28 days before you have to make your first payment. And I want to make sure that you do that. So listen, I just need you to do a couple things for me though. I need you to like this video. Okay. I need you to subscribe below. Okay. And then I need you to go ahead and click on the 28-day link and get yourself set up in Kajabi and get your days going. I will get an email that you have signed up. So that way I can reach out to you and provide any support I can and then add you to the community so that you can get your more personal support from me so that I can hold you accountable and then you can hold me accountable as well. And then we can build your brand together. You're not alone. Don't be afraid. I done spent thousands of dollars trying out everything from ClickFunnels to Samcart to MailChimp to everything you can think of, Webinar Jam, everything. And bam, Kajabi brings it all. Now, I do have a video that was uploaded probably about within half an hour ago. that walks you through an hour of what Kajabi looks like. So you can look at that, but I'm telling you, jump on this because I don't know how long they're going to keep it open. So again, this is Janet from The Credit Addict, and I am here to give you an offer to get your business rolling within these next 28 days. But depending on how diligent you are, you might not have to even wait that long to make your first $100. They're saying that you're going to be making 1,000 within 28 days. I'm telling you, your first 100 is going to come fast. All right. So, hey, hit me up. I am the Credit Addict. I will have my email below where you can contact me. You have me on IG. I am at the.credit.addict on IG. I am available. So I just wanted to stop past to say hi. Thank you for your interest. And I look forward to having a one-on-one Zoom call with you so that we can get you started. Talk to you later. Bye.